Realme launched its new affordable Narzo series phone in India called Realme Narzo N65 with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo N65 5G features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 625 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme Narzo N65 5G sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also comes with Mini Capsule 2.0 feature for notifications. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76.1 by 7.89mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo N65 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 11,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 12,499 Indian rupees. And it will be available at a discount price as follows for a limited period of time. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from May 31st, in amber gold and deep green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo N65 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.